Hey guys, welcome you all back to my channel. Today we are not catching spikes. I know they call me the spike king treadmill, but today we are not catching spikes. Today I'm teaching you guys something different. I'm teaching you guys how to set your trend lines, how to arrange your charts, how to strategize, and how to prepare your entry and how to make money in forex. Okay guys, please, you're watching this video, please, I would like you to like, comment, share and subscribe, please. That will really help me a lot. So guys, as you can see from the trade, and you see from the strategy and everything, you can see this this position here was our first resistance level, and this was our support level. Okay guys, so we were actually expecting the market, like, as you can see, this is a downtrend, because one thing, before you enter into a market, you have to understand the structure of the market. What's the structure of the market? The structure of the market is actually the movement on how the market is going at the moment. It's If it's going up, then you know that's an uptrend. If it's going down, then you know that's a downtrend. So what do you do when the market is an uptrend? You look for buying opportunities. And what do you do when it's on downtrend? You look for selling opportunities. So at it is right now, we are on downtrend, and we are looking for a buying or selling opportunity. As you can see, my entry, this was my entry. This is my entry. As you can see, we are on profits already. On profits already, because the market has been selling ever since we joined the market. And how did I know my entry? Okay, first of all, like I said, you have to understand, you have to know how to use support and resistance. You have to know how to use your trend line, your horizontal lines. You have to be perfect in these things. And how do you use your trend line? If you don't know how to do this, I'd like you to check on my description. Like description under this post, you will see a link to my Telegram group or my WhatsApp group. You can chat me privately on my WhatsApp to talk to me whatever you want to talk about, or you chat with me, or you join my Telegram channel where I show you, teach you, and give you signals on how you can make money on forex. So guys, so this is it. When we first entered the market, like, this is step index and we are on 30 minute period. Okay, first, before you start setting your strategies and drawing your trend lines and horizontal lines and all that, you first of all have to do that on a one day time frame. Like, you have to go to a higher time frame, like the 1 day time frame. That will help you a lot, because it will tell you how the market has been doing for the past 24 hours or less. Understand? It will really guide you a lot. But if you're using a smaller time frame, like maybe a 1 hour time frame or 15 minutes time frame, it will only tell you how the market has been doing for the past 15 and maybe 1 hour. And you cannot judge a market by that time frame. You cannot judge a market by just an hour. So you have to use a higher time frame, like the 1 day, to analyze your market well. And after doing that, you can come down to a 30-minute time frame like this to set your trades right and maybe probably enter your trade. So as you can see, our trade, we're still in profit at the moment. You can see my entry. You can see where the market is at the moment. So first of all, like I said earlier, this was a support level. So we were waiting for the market to break this level. Understand? And this was our resistance. Understand? Okay. So we're waiting for the market to either, when it gets down to this point, as you can see, You can see the line we drew here, because we were actually expecting the market should get down to this level and comes back here. If it's break this level and goes up, then we actually know we are going to buy. But if it break this level, either retest and come down, then we're actually going for a sell. And if you look, actually that is exactly what happened. The market came down here, it retest, came back up here, and came down to this place again. The moment it broke that position, that's when we place our trade. Understand? And since we did that, you can see we've been on profit all through, like we've been on profit. So guys, this is the strategy you can use in placing your trade on step index. Understand? First of all, you have to understand the structure. Like I always say, the structure is very important. That's the most important thing you look at first when you enter a trade. You have to know if the trade is on uptrend or if the trade is on downtrend. So from there you can analyze your trades and have probably 90 something percent confidence of what you are going to do. So as you can see, this is the strategy. That's how it's going. You have to use your support and resistance, very important, because that is what will help you succeed in most trades. Your support and resistance. How do you do this? Okay, if you, because I know you might ask, how did I know, or how did I know where to place my support and resistance? First, this was our support. Okay, why did I place my line here? I placed my line here because I actually, like, if you look, you have to place your line on a strong zone. And what is a strong zone? A strong zone is that area that the market has been touching for several times. Like, you know, the market keep coming back there, retest, going up, coming back, retest, going up, coming down. Then you know that's a strong position. That position there is a strong position, and the market is likely to hit back, like maybe come back there, retest, or probably break the position. So if the market is strong enough, the force is strong enough to break that position, then you actually know what to do, because that place is a strong position. And if the market has the strength to break it, then you should know. If it's breaking it down, you should know it's probably going for sell. If it's breaking it up, you probably know that it's going for a buy. So as you can see, the market now broke this position here, and this was a strong position too. Like I always say, I always use my most recent strongholds whenever I want to place my resistance and support. I always use the most recent stronghold to do that. So this was my most recent strongholds. I don't have to draw too many lines. This was my most recent stronghold, this and this. So I was actually waiting for the market to come down to this position, because this is a stronghold. If it breaks this position and gets down here, then we know the selling strength is much, so we're actually going for a sell. But if it retests here, comes back here, then breaks this position, then we know the buying position is very strong, the buying strength is very strong, so we're actually going for a buy. But apparently the market now came down to this position that we were expecting, just like we were expecting it to come back up here, and it did exactly the same thing. Came back up here and it dropped down, and when it came down the second time, it broke the position, and with a strong force, as you can see. So that was when we knew that the market is going to sell, and that's when we place our entry. We sell and we are on profit right now. So guys, this is very simple. This strategy is very easy, using your horizontal lines and your trend lines. You're using your support and resistance. It helps you a lot. So guys, this is the strategy I've been using. Sorry about this. The strategy I've been using, and it's been working perfectly 90% of the time. So guys, use this strategy on your trade. If you don't really understand how to use this strategy, guys, like I said earlier, check on the description page. You can see my my Telegram link. You join and we'll teach you. We'll give you the knowledge. We impact knowledge on how you guys can make money on forex. So thanks guys for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get more videos from us. Thanks guys for watching. Bye for now.